Hey everyone, I'm Brandon from Nagios and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to configure contact groups using Nagios XI. Configuring contact groups can be useful since it helps you distribute appropriate information to the correct people simultaneously. This will be a quick video today, so we're just going to go ahead and jump right on in. Okay, so here we are looking at an instance of Nagios XI. I want to mention that I already have some pre-existing contacts set up. We can navigate to the admin page and go into manage users, and as you can see here, there are some pre-existing contacts. To go ahead and get started, the first thing we're going to need to do is hover over configure and then select the core config manager. In the core config manager, we will go ahead and select contact groups, and we will add new. For the name of our contact group, we will just call it IT admins. And for our alias, we will do network managers. On the right-hand side here, we will go to manage contacts, and then we can select who we want to be a part of this contact group. So we will do this user, and this user. I am holding down control while I click these names so we can add more than one at the same time. Once we have our selected users, we can click add selected. And now we have successfully added these users to our contact group. We can click close and click save. As you can see here, our contact group has been created, and now that we have it all created and ready to go, we can click apply configuration here or at the top left. And that's it. Our contact group has been set up. You can see it right here. And that about wraps it up for today, folks. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, please go ahead and visit support.nagios.com for some more great documentation. Also, be sure to stop by our YouTube channel for some more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.